example sums in geometry. Now let us see the first one. The length and the breadth of the screen of an LED TV. Okay, we are given L and B, length and breadth of the LED TV, or 24 inches and 18 inches. So let us, that one is the shape of the LED TV, that is rectangle, because they are given length and breadth. Okay, so L and B is given for the rectangle shape TV, or 24 inches and then 18. 24 is the L, okay, breadth is the 18. You have to find the length of its diagonal. Okay, you have to find out the length of its diagonal. So see this diagram, this is the shape of the LED TV, rectangle shape ABCD. So that is given L, the length is given, okay, longer side, that is 24 inches, that is given. So this is the breadth, that is 18 inches. So you have to find out this one, diagonal, the cross line, okay. Length of this diagonal you have to find out. So let us take this, consider the first one, this is a right angle. Let us take this triangle only, right angle triangle. So you can use by using the Pythagoras theorem and then find out that this is the longer side is the what? In this right angle triangle, the longest side is the hypotenuse side. So you have to find out this value only. That is, already you know that. What is that? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. You have to find that value for this longest side. Okay. Now by using this right angle triangle, you can use the Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle, right angle triangle, that one ABC, okay, you can select this right angle triangle only, okay. That is by using the Pythagoras theorem. You have to write it in the bracket. That is AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB, value of AB is 24. 24 square plus BC is 18. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AB value is 24. So 24 square plus BC, that was length is 24, breadth is what? 18. So 18 square. So 24 square, that answer is 576 plus 18 square, that is 324. So you have to total this one. Sum of these two number. You can add this two number, you will get 900. That is AC square value only. So but you have to find out the shape of this one on the value of this one only. AC only we want, okay, not AC square. So AC equal to square root of 900. That is diagonal only we want to find out, okay. Length of the diagonal, that is the question. You have to find out the length of this diagonal. So square root of 900, that is 30. So length, therefore length of the diagonal equal to diagonal length of the diagonal, that is equal to 30 inches. Okay, 30 inches. 30 inches. Is it clear? Now let us see the second sum. See the given picture. From the given picture, you have to find out the value or given TA, that is TA 3 centimeter, OT, that is 6 centimeter. You have to find out the H first. Okay, here one right angle triangle, by using the Pythagoras theorem, you have to find out the H. First you have to find out this one, H value. After that they are asking the length of TG. So in this big triangle, you have to find out this one, hypotenuse of big triangle. You have to find out the value of TG. First, before you have to find out this small triangle, take the small triangle, you can find out this H value by Pythagoras theorem. So H is AO, that is AO square equal to OT square minus AT square. OA square equal to, that is OT square minus AT square. Okay, by using the Pythagoras theorem. Then OT value is, that is 6 square minus AT value is 3 square. So 6 square, that is 36 minus 9. Now 6 square minus 3 square, that is 36 minus 9, that is equal to 27 centimeter. So this is the value of h square. Okay. So now by using another formula, h square equal to xy formula. Okay. Now h square value is 27. So by using the h square equal to xy, that formula. Okay. In this hypotenuse side, that G to A, that value is given. The balance AT is y. Okay, the balance 3 centimeter, that is given. Y value is given already. So h square value already we can finish now. The 27 equal to x value we don't know, x into y value 3. Okay, 27 equal to 3x. So now you have to find out this x value. So 3x equal to, that is equal to 3x equal to 27. Therefore x value 27 divided by 3. So it do the cancel here 9. So therefore xy value, the total GT value. So GT equal to, already x value is 9 plus y value is 3. The total 12. So that is 12 centimeter. This is the hypotenuse of the bigger triangle. Okay. Is it clear? XY, that is XY, GT value is 12 centimeter. Is it clear?